In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com to handle tickets efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the Monday.com website. Simply open your web browser of choice and type in Monday.com in the address bar. It's important to ensure you're on the authentic website to keep your information secure. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. Next, you have the convenience of logging in using your Google account. Just click on the Google option, which will prompt you to choose your Google account. This step is straightforward and helps expedite the login process by saving you the hassle of remembering another password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Monday.com dashboard, which might seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's all very user-friendly. Spot the App Center located in the top right corner of your screen. It's nestled right next to your profile icon. Clicking on it opens up a world of tools and integrations that can enhance how you manage your workflows. Now, within this App Center, you'll want to look for the option labeled Explore Products. Go ahead and click on this to open a host of solutions that Monday.com has to offer. From here, you'll find various categories of apps and services designed to streamline your project management tasks. As you continue exploring, you need to click on the Service category. This is where you'll find tools specifically tailored for handling customer service and support tickets. Clicking on Service will guide you to the specific products related to service management. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. Here's the good news. There's an option to try it for free. So click on Try for Free to get started without any immediate commitment. This trial will give you a chance to explore the features in detail and see whether they align with your needs. Finally, after enabling the service, you can now manage your tickets directly through Monday.com's interface. It's built to be intuitive, helping you keep track of your incoming tickets, resolving issues efficiently, and improving communication within your team. By integrating ticket management with Monday.com, you streamline your workflow and create a more organized and efficient process for handling customer inquiries. That's all it takes to get started with ticket management on Monday.com. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to optimizing how you manage support tickets, enhancing your team's response times, and ultimately delivering better service to your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy ticket handling.